Hello, welcome back to the NHLEMS, where we appreciate hockey cards and Rubik's Cubes. So today we are going to have our first Rubik's Cube competition. All my kids can solve Rubik's Cube. Underneath this hockey box, I have a random cube with a random scramble. And all my kids and myself are going to have the same scramble, and we're going to see who can do it the fastest. So I'm going to go first, and I have Maddie here. Maddie, say hi.
Hi!
Okay. And Maddie is going to go next after Daddy. So here we go. All right. So now, Maddie, do you have the timer ready?
Yep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, start it.
I started.
Okay. Now let me know when the timer runs out. All right. Okay. Okay, slight technical difficulty, but we're ready to go. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Daddy got 1 minute, 9 seconds.
Great job!
All right. That's not a good
good,
time.
Good.
I guarantee all my kids are going to crush me on that one. But that's okay. Okay, time to scramble it up. Okay, and now we have Maddie girl. Maddie is so excited. She's 5 years old and she has learned how to solve the cube. 5.5, sorry. And sometimes she forgets the odd little step here and there, but she can do it all by herself, and she is a big girl. So Maddie, whenever you're ready, let's get going, okay?
Okay, done.
All right. So you can start whenever you like. I'm not going to worry about the 15-second timer with her. So you just start whenever you like, okay?
3, 2, 1.
Yep, so while Maddie's doing that, we will have tutorials coming on the channel soon. I'm going to make a tutorial with how I teach most kids, but then I'm also going to make a tutorial on how I taught Maddie to solve the cube. So if you are interested in learning how to solve the cube, you can watch our tutorials. Okay, so Maddie made an eensy little mistake. She forgot a step, but Maddie, that's okay, right? Yeah, it's okay if she forgets mistakes. So we're not going to worry about her time, but what I did was I just paused it and I showed her how to do the step correctly. So now she's going to continue going from there, and we're just going to be happy with her solving. There we go.
My birth might not get it. Yay!
Yay!
I found the cube, guys.
Okay, she did it. Yay!
I was like, I found the cube.
One little hiccup in the middle, but that's okay. That's okay for Maddie girl. She's learning. It's still remarkable that she can do it. Okay, so now Maddie, go get. Okay, now it's Eddie's turn. Daddy got a 109. Can you beat that? Not sure.
Probably. My best is 47.
Oof. Okay. All right. So as soon as you lift the box, Eddie, I'm going to start your 15-second inspection time, okay? Ready? Whenever you're ready.
on.
What's your time? Show it.
Beat Dad.
Oh, 106. Yeah, you beat Dad. Wow, by 3 seconds. Up top, buddy. Woo! Okay, good job, Eddie. All right, Luke. Now it's your turn.
Yep, I can't wait.
So I got 109. And you got 106. Can you beat us?
Of course I can. I don't even get 1 minute anymore.
What?
Yeah, barely even do it anymore. It's really rare for me.
Okay, I will start your 15-second timer or inspection timer after you lift the box. Okay, whenever you're ready. Oh, 2-second timer. Oh, okay,
51.
So we have to add 2 seconds to it because he didn't get the last turn. So he had 49 seconds. So we're going with 51 seconds.
51.125.
That's still a good.
So unlucky.
You're in first place.
But I nickel. I had it gonna win. I just know it.
All right, go
His
get.
PB's 26.
Go get Henry. Okay, Henry, are you ready to go here?
Yeah.
Okay,
ready.
Are you confident?
Yes.
Do you think you could beat your brothers?
Yes.
Okay. You can start whenever you're ready. As soon as you lift the box, I'll start your 15-second inspection time.
$34. 36.
But is this turned? Ooh, that's halfway. I think we have to add a 2-second penalty because he didn't complete the final turn.
Well, I beat Luke.
Yeah. 34 plus a 2-second penalty. You guys got to work on those final turns. 36. So, yeah, there you go. All right, yes. Wow, Henry, so you were in first place. Awesome job.
Yep, I sure am.
All right, and we got Nick. He's a little bit tall, so he might have to lean in.
Hi.
So, now, do you think you can win the championship, Nick?
I heard Henry's time was like 36.4.
Yeah, do you think you could beat him?
I don't know.
It's a pretty tough one, right? Okay, your 15 seconds starts once you lift the box.
All right, let's go. Dang it.
What'd you get? Oh, 40 seconds. Oh, that's good.
I got
That's a tough
nervous.
one, eh? That's okay. There's nothing
Oh,
wrong
that
with it.
stinks. That's not good.
No, you're fine. Good job, man. Okay. All right. So that is our channel.
No.
Every once in a while, we'll do fun little competitions like that, solving our cubes. We're going to have our tutorial coming out soon. If you like our channel, support us on Patreon.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Bye.